you cute little cornua spersum. Latin name, bonus points.
Oh, can't believe we got stuck with the tree hugger. If I have to hear the Latin name for one more animal, I swear I'm going to kill her.
Relax, Sugar Buns. While she does all the work, we'll have all the fun.
Yeah, and get wasted out of our minds.
Way ahead of you, man.
Come on, team. We mustn't dilly-dally when there's so much nature to see. I was thinking we should call our class project Fun Guys in a Forest. Get it? Because we're a group of fun guys and also fun guys. Shush! That's a low wagtail, and she's in distress. There, my little Montezella flower. Oh, look at her go. Wow.
Out of the way, dorkwad. We're camping here.
Finally. Time to get that barbecue burning.
Oh dear. Gross. Easy, guys. We're supposed to be studying nature, not wrecking it.
Piss break.
Oi, fungus freak. Make yourself useful and fix the tent.
Oh, a bit of friendly campsite ribbing. Fun.
She wouldn't survive 5 minutes alone in these woods.
Yeah, she's a real weenie, that one, innit?
Oi, Phil, how are those sausages coming?
Almost ready. Just need a bit more salt.
Incredible! It's a new species.
What the bloody hell are those things?
It's like a gnome shagged a mushroom.
They're absolutely adorable.
Yeah, absolutely bloody adorable. And I bet we'll make a fortune if we catch one of those things.
We'd be famous.
Get on MTV. I wonder what they taste like.
Oh, we really shouldn't disrupt their habitat.
Right, sure.
Greetings. Huh? Welcome, friends. I'll be right down. Could I interest you in some peppermint tea?
What are you guys?
We are sprites. We sprite balance to the forest. We take care of the animals, plants, birds, moths, ladybugs.
Guys,
Hey, little mushroom geezer, you cool with us camping here for the night?
Absolutely. A friend of the forest is a friend of the sprites.
maybe it was just ketchup or something, like red paint? Yeah, maybe they were just painting their little hats or something. Guys? Guys, this isn't funny. Guys?
We were just gonna catch one, but they're psycho! You've got to get me out of these, hurry! They're gonna kill us!
Right foot, left foot, leaf and stone. You picked the wrong camping spot, bitches. Sprite them!
Just keep your distance. All right then, eat salty little green bastard.
Those punks treated the world as their own personal rubbish bin, and you set them free. Now you'll join them. I'll give you that one, Brother Bird. All right, sprites, let's burn the bodies and have some peppermint tea.
Keeping watch wherever we roam. Di-dee, di-diddly, the forest is our happy home. Hoo, hoo, ha, ha, he all together now. Friendly sprites rise with the sun. Friendly bees, friendly dum. We won't stop till the day is fun. Friendly, yum, yum.
Danger, danger, I'm a forest ranger, about and clear the way. I'm about to blast it, stick like plastic, what your mama gonna say? I'm about to drop it, stanky, plop it, I'ma just catching steam. Now pillage and loot it, I'ma pollute it, lake to the river, to the stream, dearie, and call me cavalieri. Try to cut me down to size. Nowadays my announcer, driver, bouncer, baking me cakes and pies. This camp is a call-out, here come the fallout. Me and my crew don't play. My boots on the log, on the leaf, on the frog, cut words in the tree to say, hey, hey, hey.